Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make this beautiful and pretty shawl. It's a very long chevron stitch shawl, but it's very quick to make as well. I have used half double crochet stitch to make it look pretty and make it fast in the same time, to avoid the loose look of the double crochet and the slow making of the single crochet. So half double crochet was the perfect stitch for this. I have used 4 colors for this pattern. You'll find the color chart in the linked pattern in the description box, and I'm gonna show you in a while how to make the chevron stitch. The pattern is very easy. It's a repetition of 1 row only. You must get the number of chains right at the beginning, so everything will fall into place later on with the number of stitches and the beginning and end. The pattern is very easy, as I said, and quick. It's a repetition of a certain number, and you can modify it as well the way you want it, depending on the width you want for your project. Like I said, I have used 4 colors. I made 2 rows initially of each color, then I alternated with 1 row of each, and later on I made 24 rows of separately of each color to give it this look. Like I said, you'll find the color chart in the written pattern, and without further ado, we'll get started right away. So in order to achieve this chevron stitch, half double crochet chevron stitch, we will be starting with a number of chain, certain number which you can modify depending on the width you want. So for the demonstration of the half double crochet chevron stitch, I'm gonna use 2 colors to show you later on how to change the color. So we'll get started right away. So for this pattern, I'm gonna chain 68 plus 3 at the end. And if you want a different size or a different width, what you do is chain a multiple of 17 and you add up 3 at the end of the chain. So we'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 68. And then I'll add 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3, which makes it 71 total. So what I'm gonna do in the 3rd chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet. So 1, 2. In the 3rd one, I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet. So 1, yarn over in the same chain, pull through 2. Then I'm gonna make 1 half double crochet in the next 7 stitches. So in the next 7 stitches, I'm gonna make 1 half double crochet. Okay, now I'm gonna skip 2 and again 1 half double crochet in the next 7 stitches. So 1, 2, the next stitch, 1 for 7 times, 4 in the 7 chains. So 1, 2. and I've got 7 here. So this is how it is so far. And now what I'm gonna do in the next chain, I'm gonna make 3 half double crochet. So the next chain after the 7th one, so 1, 2 and 3, and I'm just gonna repeat. So what's gonna repeat is 1 half double crochet in the next 7 chains again, then I'm gonna skip 2 again, and 1 half double crochet in the next 7 chains again, and in the next one 3 half double crochet, and at the end of the chain I should have 1 extra chain where I'm gonna do 2 half double crochet. So for this pattern, in each row you'll start with 2 half double crochet and you will end with 2 half double crochet. So we'll see how it is. So now we did 3 half double crochet in 1 chain, and I'm gonna follow with 1 half double crochet in the next 7 chains. Again, I'm gonna skip 2 and 1 half double crochet in the next one, and in the total next 7 chains. And then again in the next chain 3 half double crochet, and repeat again 1 half double crochet in the next 7. So 3 half double crochet in the next chain, and again 1 half double crochet in the next 7. And we're almost at the end of the chain. Skip 2, 1 half double crochet in the next 7. And here we are left, like I said, with 1 extra chain. I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet. And that's it for the first row, and this is what you get, the initial construction of the chevron stitch. I'm gonna change the color and show you how to proceed to the next row. So I'm gonna insert the pink color, just hold the yarn down the loose end and then bring the two ends on the sides. Later you can make a knot if you wish. So I'm gonna chain one. Sorry, I'm gonna chain two. 1 and 2, holding the thread so it doesn't get loose. And then in the very first stitch on top of the chain 2, I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet. So 1 and 2. Like we said, the 2 half double crochet in the beginning and at the end of the row are separate from the number of stitches for the chevron. And now I'm gonna follow with 1 half double crochet in the next 7 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. And here are the previous skipped 2 stitches. I'm gonna skip 2 stitches now, 1 and 2, and in the next one I'm gonna make a half double crochet. Again, half double crochet in the following 7 stitches. And 7, and now on top 3 half double crochet on top of this stitch. And you see how it looks so far. We're gonna continue 1 half double crochet in the next 7 stitches, skip 2, and again 1 half double crochet in the next 7. and 3 half double crochet on top. So here 7 stitches done, and here is my last one. I'm gonna make again 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, sorry. Okay, so this is how you get the chevron stitch done. You continue the same way till the end of the shawl. I'll explain to you later on the number of rows and colors in this in the achieved shawl, but the pattern is a repetition of 1 row only. Once you get the chain, the number of chains right, so everything else will be right. So be careful when you make the number of chain to have the right count. And then what, like I said, you start with 2 half double crochet, you end with 2 half double crochet, regardless of the number of repetition of the stitches. So this is the beginning of the pattern, how I started with 2 rows of each color, then 1 row followed for 8 rows, and then with the mint I did 24, and then I alternated again with 4 colors for 8 rows, and so on. Then 24 rows with the dark green, and the same 24 rows of the pink, and then brown, and ended like I started, 8 rows of 8 rows of the different 4 colors, 1 row each, and 2 rows each again to finish the shawl. And this is what you get. You can make it shorter if you want, but I like it this long. This is good for summer or winter, and you can make it larger or thinner as you wish. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.